In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an authorization code on Hostinger. If you need to transfer your domain to another provider, one of the most important things you'll need is the authorization code, sometimes also called the EPP code. This code works like a security key for your domain, and it helps confirm that you're the rightful owner before the transfer can happen. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process fairly simple once you know where to look. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in to your dashboard. Make sure you're using the account that actually manages the domain you want to transfer. Once you're inside the main control panel, take a moment to look through the menu so you can easily find your domain settings. Next, click on Domains. This section shows the domains connected to your account and gives you access to the management tools for each one. Find the specific domain you want to work with and then click Manage. This will open the settings page for that domain, where you'll be able to control things like DNS, ownership details, and transfer options. After that, go to the Transfer section. This is where Hostinger places the tools related to moving your domain from one registrar to another. In this area, you should see an option labeled Get Code under the Authorization Code section. Click on Get Code, and Hostinger will generate or display the authorization code for that domain. Once the code appears, simply copy it carefully. It's a good idea to paste it somewhere safe and temporary, so you can use it during the transfer process without having to come back and search for it again. Be sure to copy the code exactly as shown, because even a small mistake can cause problems when you submit the transfer request. After you've copied the authorization code, you can share it with the provider or platform where you're transferring the domain. Since this code gives access to the transfer process, treat it like sensitive information and only share it where necessary. That's all it takes. Log into Hostinger, open Domains, click Manage, go to Transfer, select Get Code, and copy the authorization code. If you follow those steps carefully, you should have your code ready in just a few moments.